Hello everyone, welcome back to KK House channel, and this is Kelly. Today I am going to introduce you my best selling in 2023 named 7 Roses Money Bouquet. Imagine a money bouquet come with roses that can last up to 6 months. So stay watching until the end to see the A to Z steps and all the secrets. Let's get started with the material list. First off, we have hot glue. We will use a lot of hot glue, so make sure that you have a large glue gun. The next one is plastic rose stem. These stems are specialized for preserved roses. 2 pairs of scissors, one for trimming, one for papers. Next is cotton string, super hold scotch tape, to-go chopsticks, dry foam block, and of course money. Okay, we are moving to the main character today. These are preserved roses. What I have here is a 4 centimeter preserved roses. A box comes with 8 roses. These preserved roses can last up to 6 months or a year, depending on your storage conditions. It might be hard for you to buy these preserved roses in the market because there's not a lot of sellers carrying this in stock due to the high cost. I have 5 popular colors in stock, but I am going to use red for today's video. This is how I attach the plastic stem into the rose. We are going to do this step first so they can take time to dry. Next step is folding. I am using the lotus folding technique for this style. I also use classic folding as well. They are both beautiful. Okay, I have folded 25 bills. It is ready, but before moving to arranging technique, I am going to trim the plastic stem at the same length with the bamboo skewers. While watching me trimming the rose, I think you guys will have the question, can I use the fresh roses? My answer is yes and no. Yes, because it is easier for you to go buy a fresh bundle of roses. And no, because we are using dry foam, so your fresh roses will not last more than a day. Here's the first secret. I am using to-go chopsticks to make the DIY bouquet holders. We are going to start with the roses first. Simply arrange all 7 roses in the roundest circle as possible. It is the center of the whole bouquet, so take all the time you needed. In the video, the roses look really artificial, but trust me, they have the same texture and feeling as a real rose. Preserved roses are extremely fragile. Sometimes it is hard to work with them because you really cannot control the crunchiness of the petals. Now it is my favorite step, arranging all 25 bills. around 10 bouquets every week, but I never get tired of this step. I find it really satisfying and stress release to me. Next step is wrapping technique. Since this is a 25 bills bouquet, I am going to use the triangle wrapping look just like previous videos. I am using my newest wrapping papers for this bouquet. As you can see, the red one is a newspaper and the black one is a glass effect plastic bouquet wrapping. I do have a listing of glass effect paper on my TikTok shop and Etsy shop if you're interested in buying them. I am cutting each full-size wrapping paper into 4, then slowly tie each of them onto the holder using a cotton string. For the size of 25 bills money bouquet, I normally use 6 pieces of wrapping papers. To finish the holder of the bouquet, I am going to use cotton tissue papers to cover up the chopsticks. And lastly, with the same technique, I'm gonna use another 2 full-size sheets of wrapping papers to wrap up everything. And here is the final look of the 7 Roses money bouquet. I really love how the black and the red go together. Other popular choices are all red, all black, or red and white. I have also included video of the same style in pink color or the same style with 100 bills examples. And this is the end of my tutorial. I would like to say thank you to all of my current and future subscribers for making a wonderful year. Please continue to support my channel for new tutorials in 2024 and special videos coming up soon about my money florist business. Goodbye and thank you so much. This is Kelly. See you soon.